Hey, what's up? This is my first video of my car. I'm gonna be doing some stuff to it. Hopefully, I'll continue making videos. I don't even know if this video is gonna be uploaded or not, but I thought I'd film me redoing these, but in actual vinyl. Right now, it's plasti dipped. It looked pretty decent, but I want to get vinyl on there just because these are starting to peel up and my lines didn't come out as clean as they could have. Look, see, it's starting to come off. Anyway, I need to keep those on there for now. This is my car. It's a 2008 Honda Accord Coupe. I've already done quite a bit of things to it. It's already lowered. Has 2019 Accord Sport rims. And today we're going to be doing some vinyl wrapping. I vinyl wrapped this the other day and it came out pretty good for being... I've only wrapped a few times before, but these lines came out pretty sweet. I wrapped this all the way around. So yeah, this was also plastic dip before, but I'm doing everything vinyl now. So the stuff right here I need to touch up. That's the paint right there chipping. It's 2008. It's an older car. And I roof wrapped this also about a year ago. And it's still holding up pretty good. I'm using Avery Gloss Black. This is what we're using right here. Avery Gloss Black. I don't know exactly the code of it. Oh, here's the code. Here we go. I like Avery. It's easy. This is what I used for the roof, and it came out pretty sweet. There's no bumps or anything. Easy to work with. If you don't know how to wrap that well, it's a very easy material. So yeah, today I'm gonna be trying to redo these, but in the wrap. And how I'm gonna achieve that is with knifeless tape. Where is it? Right here. I bought this knifeless tape. I've only used it once and it was on the rear, back over there. But we're gonna give it a shot up here, see how I can get these lines in. I made these lines up right here. This is my design right here in the front. So yeah, I'll get back with you. I'm gonna jack the car up, get it a few inches higher because I don't want to work down here breaking my back. This car's not too low, but it's pretty low. Okay, I'll be back. I can still put a low profile jack underneath here, which is good. So, let's see if I can get this in there. Alright, so it's on there. Now let's jack it up. And I think right there is fine. So next what I'm gonna do is get the knifeless tape and start tracing these lines to the best of my abilities. Trace these lines because I really like this look right here. And after I trace it with the knifeless tape, I'm gonna peel this back. Obviously I need to take it back and clean the whole thing. Or I should probably clean it first and then trace it and then peel it back. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So here we go. I'm gonna be using just water. There's no wheel cleaner in here. I just cleaned out the bottle after it was done and I put water in it. So this is just water and then I'm gonna be using a rag. Let's get this wet, clean it up. And just simply wipe this off. I know I'm not too concerned about getting the whole car clean and stuff. It's gonna be cleaning the part I'm gonna be working on right here. Get off all the dirt. Not trying to get it perfect, but just most of the dirt off here. So I have a clean surface to clean on. Okay, we're gonna do the same to the other side. So I already got the first tape laid out right here, knifeless tape. I already followed these contours. I'm not sure if it'll cut these edges, to be honest, but I'm gonna give it a shot. I laid it down as flat as I can. So now I'm gonna do this one next. And when you're doing knifeless tape, you always gotta leave, a few inches outside of where you're done cutting it, so you can be able to pull this back and give it like a nice yank, and then start cutting the vinyl. So I'm gonna start over here the exact same way. Actually, I need to start on this side because the tape, let me show you. The tape, the actual like cutter tape in there, the filament is offset. You can see it right there, it's off to the side. So you need to make sure that you have that line in there exactly where you want to cut your vinyl. So it's not going to cut it like down over here where the red starts. It's going to cut it at the edge over here. You can kind of see it in there. So that being said, you need to put the tape laying this way now. Give it a few inches. So it's almost like you're pinstriping the car. Sorry from getting in the way. This needs to be very detailed right here. See, that's how that line's gonna lay down. So right here, these edges. Let's see if I could get it. Okay, so now that I have all the tape work done, I'm gonna go ahead and peel this back now. The Plasti Dip, it just comes off all in one strip. For this right here, for some reason the tape didn't want to bend that way, and I just couldn't. I couldn't manipulate it to make that bend. So when I'm done cutting all this and hopefully it all comes out fine and stuff and I like it, then I'll go ahead and get scissors and then make this cut right here by myself. I got a little bit of it right here. Here you go, guys. So you lay down your Plasti Dip pretty thick layers. And it goes up around here. This is gonna be hard to cut right here. I just know it. Oops. Anyway, you get the idea. So now that we have our line here, focus this. I'm gonna cut some vinyl, a strip right here to lay over this. Trying to waste the vinyl. And then I'll start squeegeeing it on there. Okay, so after a little bit of measuring, I got my vinyl cut out here. And I made sure to leave a little bit of overhang on each of the sides. So it's gonna basically match up like this. You know, cover all that right there. The next step is to start peeling it back, laying it down. And then at the end we can pull the strings and see if we get this clean line. Okay guys, so here's the final product. Here's how they came out. I like them a lot. I am very happy with they came out, considering I hardly do any vinyl work. Nice clean edges. Again, I came up with this front design. Makes the car look a little bit more aggressive in the front. Because I don't have an HFP kit, they don't make them anymore. So this is what I'm trying to do. I like it. Again, the Avery gloss black, very easy to work with. Anybody can work with that. Here's a side shot. And yeah, I'm trying to get rid of all the plasti dip on this car and replace it with the gloss black. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe. If you don't like, dislike, do whatever you want to do. And comment if you want to see any more content, if you want to know how to do something that you've seen that I've done here already, or anything really.